Welcome back. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to be building that page that we want to find on Clickbank that we want to promote. All right, so basically, let's say we were doing something like this specific one, which is tinnitus. It's an offer that pays good commissions. And the first thing I'm going to do is put my affiliate ID, which is my Clickbank account. And now it's great because it gives me a few things. That this direct link to video is what I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to be copying this link and I'm going to get a notepad where I'm going to be adding the link in there and my details. Okay, so this is notes for this case study. Okay, that's my link. If I send this link anywhere, and generate commissions, they'll know it's from me. Okay. Now, another thing that I want to also make sure I check out, if they have any native pre-sales. These are pretty cool because I can create a page really easily as an advertorial and start sending traffic to this specific offer, okay? And now that I have all the details, basically the page, the type of page that I want to create, I want to build a page myself. I want to control this page. But in order for me to do this, we're going to have to build a foundation. I need to build a foundation first. I want to own that domain. I want to be the owner and have anything I want on there. I don't want a direct link. I'm losing information and data from the traffic that's coming to me. And then later on in my future, I'm going to want to track everything that I'm doing or switch things around, maybe collect leads instead of sending them over to a splash page or whatnot. So the best thing to do is go out and find a domain based on the campaign that you're going to build. Now, you can use a generic domain, or you can easily start finding domains that have traffic on there. This is a huge value that I'm giving you right now. If you go to expireddomains.net, you'll be able to find domains that have built-in traffic that you can build around. Now, what do I mean by built-in traffic? Well, these domains have backlinks. These are domains that have been left from other people, users that haven't rebought, they haven't refreshed them or purchased them again. They are domains that are out there right now somewhere online. They're still getting traffic because they have backlinks built in, they have deep links built in. So people are clicking on these domains, but they're dead. Nobody's got them. They're available. So if I went to find something that has to do with the offer that I'm doing, okay, so this one would be tinnitus, has to do with the ear issue, whatever. I'm gonna go and search for domains with the name, with the keyword of my actual tinnitus. Let me check if it's spelled right. Yeah, it's spelled right. All right, so I would find these ones right here. If I look at backlinks, if I click on this right now, you can see that these have 15.6 backlinks built in, 57 deep nets. Like, honestly, this is a site that I should be picking up right now. Okay, so it's called tinnituscontroldirect.com. All right, I don't like the fact that there's two keywords and then backslash. So maybe there's something else I can be using, but I like the fact that it's got 57 here. But this one is another one that I could be using. Tinnitus control today. There's really good ones out here that I can be using. But you can see that these are also, they cost a lot of money, but these are very cheap to do. But right now, this one right here has a lot. It's the 4.4 remedies for tinnitus. Tinnitus clear is just one for all. How to stop tinnitus. Has got a lot of deep links on this. How to stop tinnitus. Okay, let me go ahead and click on Namecheap, And basically I'm going to buy this domain. Okay, this is a great domain for me to build a campaign on, something that I think will bring me some good ROI on just buying this domain for $3.98. Okay, it makes sense for me to purchase this. So what am I doing here? I'm actually building a foundation now. I'm going to build a foundation around how to stop tinnitus, something that people are actually selling. Look at this, how to stop tinnitus at info@.com is 2009. I can build this, get traffic on there, and resell it later on if I want to. So I'll go ahead and purchase this. Okay, so I've purchased it. Now I'm ready to go and build on this. Now what I want to do is actually use a landing page builder of some sort, and I'm going to be giving you access to a free landing page builder that you can take advantage of right now, following the step-by-step that I have. I'll also provide you with a template for you to use so you can switch the content and use other content that you might be finding. So the next thing that I want to do is get this connected to my actual page that I'm going to be building. I know it sounds overwhelming, but don't worry, that's why we're taking it step by step. So the next step, after I've purchased this domain, I'm going to go ahead and sign into my page builder that I'm going to have for you, and you're going to be able to get in and create your new page with. Now this is a page builder called GrooveFunnels. It's not ClickFunnels, it's GrooveFunnels. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't even need to put your credit card. That's why I like to use it, because it makes my life easier when I'm promoting this to other people that want to try it out, things that I'm doing right now. Okay, so I've already got like a template for this that I've built myself, so I don't really need to go through building it over again. So I'm just going to go into one of these templates. I'm actually going to do a clone, and plus you're going to have this template yourself to use, so you don't really need to build on it. Okay, so I'm just going to clone this, and then it's going to spit out a new version of this, and I'm just going to switch things around and build my page. But you'll see the whole process of us connecting this to that domain that we bought. So the first thing that I got, now this is the clone one. I'll make sure that I want to actually change it and put like tinnitus, so I know which one it is. Okay, and then I'm gonna also basically, sorry about this big thing. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Okay, so I'm just saving. I'm also going to go into settings and change this as well. So it's going to be tinnitus splash. Okay. Now I'm going to go back. Now that I've got this up, I need to basically, if I'm going to publish this, I can actually use a subdomain that's free for me, or put it on a domain. I want to put it on a domain so I can be future proof and ready to go for other things. So I'm just going to go click on manage domains, click on your domain. You see this, and click on manage. All right. Now what I'm going to do is going to add a domain, and I'm going to go to for the full subdomain setup, and I'm going to put the actual domain that I got. So it's how to stop tinnitus. I'm going to click and copy and paste, click on next. Okay, now it's giving me two DNS addresses. Keep this open, please, and then go back into Namecheap account, go to manage your domain. All right, and then you see the name servers. You're going to look for name servers. Doesn't matter where you're on. There will always be name servers on whatever you're using. And just copy and paste what they gave you here. So this is the Dora one, and put Dora there. And this is the major one, and put major here. Click on save. This is going to be removed automatically. And once that's done, it's going to take about 48 hours, etc. But not really. It's going to take it's a lot less. So we're going to validate DNS records, but it won't be ready right now. It will complete the process, blah, blah, blah. But it's pending verification. I'm going to update this. Now, I'm going to fix the page until it gets updated, and I'll connect things later on. So right now, what we want to do is actually build this content. So how are we going to be doing this? Well, remember, we got that information from the tools, from the affiliate place. I found this one specific one that I know this works, that I could use. So I can just copy this if I wanted to, and come back in here and copy and paste basically. Okay. Now, in the image below, we'll change it in a second, but right now, let me finish up with the details of the page. Copy this, come back, and paste. Again, it's a copy and paste situation. Don't worry about anything else. We want people to actually come and watch the video. Okay, just trying to make it look okay. Now, in this image right here, what we could do is also maybe take the image that they have for us here. Okay, save image, making it as simple as possible for you to build something right off the part. Now, if an affiliate vendor tells you you're not allowed to use their stuff, then just go and find and create your own. But I'm going to go ahead and use the one that they're giving me because I know I can use it. So go ahead and pick it, open, upload. Okay, and select update. Okay, so now the next step that I want to do is also add my links. And basically I need to go back into Clickbank and get my affiliate links that I created, which was these ones right here, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, no, sorry. We go back into the actual area right here where we want to put, let's see, direct to video, copy link, and we want people to go to the video. So make sure you choose the one that takes you to the video. So first of all, I want to also add a link on that image, and I want to add a link in this area. So link to, and that's my links. Update. Now, one more last thing that I want to do is create terms and policies that I'm going to be adding in the footer. It's very important that you do create terms and policies. Now, for this site, this was my tinnitus, what is it called? How to stop tinnitus, right? So I'm going to go to this part here, and all I'm going to do is just put it in there. Now, for these links right here that I have, what I want to do is go into my pages, and I'm going to create a new page where I'm going to create a blank page. And in this blank page, I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to add container, or actually I'm going to add a column. Okay, and then inside the column, I'm going to add a container. Now in the container, I'm going to add a text, but before that, we need to create terms and conditions generator. Put it in your Google search, and you find terms and conditions generator, not checkout, but .com. And on here, you're gonna name the company, which is How to Stop Tinnitus. That's your domain name, and your website URL. Just leave it as that. Choose the country that you're in, or whatever you feel like adding. Okay. And then put an email. And then generate my terms and conditions. Now this is going to give you either a link or a text. So I'm going to choose the text, come back, and then I'm going to go ahead and put, where is it? Code embed. Actually, not code embed, sorry, text. So you put like maybe paragraph. Okay, and then in the paragraph, you can do that. Oh, actually, no, I'm sorry. Sorry. You can do code embed because it is a code. I'm sorry. You get a code. Okay, I got the code. I made a mistake. I did it the right first time. And then add it in there. All right, and get rid of the, you could do both if you want, but it's better to do the code embed. So I've got my code embed. I'm going to save and publish. Okay, and again, I'm going to publish when I'm done with the domain, but the page is going to be there. And then this page, this specific page, like page 3, it says page 3. You can rename it and name it terms and conditions. But we want to edit settings, and in here I'm going to put terms and conditions. Okay, so save. All right, I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'm going to keep this one. And then I have a privacy policy as well that I'm going to be doing. It's the exact same thing. You go to Google and you search for actually just terms, and just put privacy generator. No, privacy policy generator. Okay, privacy policy generator, and it's this one right here. Do the same exact thing. So how to stop the info thing. That's your website name. Next. Yes, yes, yes. Next. States. Whatever. Generate my privacy policy. Okay, so copy text and then go back into your pages, and then into the privacy policy page, you're going to want to edit and add the new one. Okay, so you're going to just replace, just like you just saw. All right, so we're done with that. And then in the front, I already know that this right here is, I'm going to do that, hyperlink to how to stop tinnitus.com, and then terms and condition. And then the other one is the privacy policy. Okay. Boom. Contact us, put a thing, and then that's about it. All right, so I'm going to click on save. And now the domain should be ready. So if I'm ready to publish the domain, I'm going to go to manage domains again, manage, and let's click to verify. And it's not ready yet. Okay, so I need to wait it out a little bit until this is connected before I can just tell you to go to tinnitus, how to tinnitus, etc., etc. It's just going to take a little bit of time until this gets validated. It should get a green thing where it's going to allow me to connect it to my page, etc. But for now, I'm just going to put tinnitus splash and publish. Okay, so this is going to be my site. So I'm done with the site. We've built a site with our affiliate links on there. We actually, did a good job today. So let's take a break, a breather, and the next day you're going to be seeing how we're going to be driving traffic to this lander. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in the next video.